Hi guys, so we'll be solving an O-level past paper question from the year 2017. The session is October-November. This is question number 2. We'll draw a cumulative frequency curve, find the median and the interquartile range, and estimate the mean. So let's start. The question says, a company asked their employees how long they took to travel to work one day. The table summarizes the times for 120 employees. They've given us a table with time and frequency here. Part A1 says, complete the cumulative frequency table below. We need to complete this table by tiling it with the first table at the start. So, of course, the first column is 0. The next column would be 0 plus 12, which would give you 12, because this is the 12 right here that needs to be added. The next column would have 12 plus 28 right here, which gives us 40. The next column would do 40 plus 45, which gives us 85. Then we would do 85 plus 27, which gives us 107. And then, of course, 107 plus 13 would give us 120. So the table is tallied. The next part of the question says, on the grid, draw a smooth cumulative frequency curve to represent these results. Okay, so let's start with the first value. At 0, we plot a 0 on the origin right here. The next is 20 and 12. So you do 20 and then you do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 right here. The next value goes there. The next one is, the next one is 40 and 40. So you do 40 and you do another 40 over here, right there. Okay. The next one is 60 and 85. So this is the line for 60. I'm just drawing these dotted marks so that I can know where I'm going. So 80 starts from here, 82, 84, 85 is going to be right here. I'll remove the marks later on. The next value is 80 and 107. So 80 is here and I'll draw these marks so that I can easily plot the correct value. 80 and 107 is going to be 102, 4, 6 and then 7 is going to be right here. And the last value is of course 100 and 120. So that value goes right there. Okay, so let's draw a smooth cumulative frequency curve. I'll try my best to make this as smooth as possible. 1 second. Oh, whoa, what am I doing? 1 second. So, yeah, I'll draw it as smoothly as I can. So I start from the lowest point and I go like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I stop at this point for a second. And then I extend the line like this. Okay, I hope this is smooth enough. It looks smooth, but let's see. So you drawn the curve and let's solve the next part now. Use your curve to estimate the median time. In order to find the median time, first we need to find what is the half of 120, which is of course 60. We draw a horizontal line at 60, connecting the y-axis and the curve. So we draw a line like this and then extend the line vertically, vertically from this point onwards, to this point right here. Let's see what this is. I hope this is correct. 42, 44, 48, 40, 50, 50, what's that? 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Okay, so the median is 50. The next is interquartile range, the interquartile range of the times. So we draw two horizontal lines at 90. The value of y is 90. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 right here. One of the lines is going to be there. 1 second. It is going to be there. And I connect this vertically to the x-axis as well. So I go like this. Okay, and the next value would be drawing a horizontal line at 30. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, the line is going to be right here. Okay, so let's connect this for 1 second. So we draw a vertical line at this point. Sorry, this is not the correct one. Let me correct it once again so that we have the correct interquartile range. So it is going to be, 1 second, it's supposed to be right here. Okay, I hope this is better. So the value over here is 63, and the value over here, let's see what that is. 22, 24, 6, 8, 10, 32, 34, 35. Okay, so the value here is 35. So in order to find the IQR, the interquartile range, you subtract Q3 and Q1. Q3 is this line over here. This is Q3 because it's the upper quartile, and this is Q1. This is the lower quartile, and the median is Q2. So we subtract Q3 and Q1. That means we subtract 63 and what is the other value? 35. Let's see what we get. 63 minus 35 gives us 28. So the interquartile range is 28 minutes. Next part of the question says, calculate an estimate of the mean time taken for the employees to travel to work. In order to find the mean, we follow this formula. In order to find the mean, we follow this formula. The mean is equal to the sum of fx. X is the middle value, f is the frequency, and the sum of the frequency. So how do we find the middle values? So we look at all of these values right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll just write the middle values on top of those boxes. So the first one would be 10, the next one would be 30, the next one would be 50, then 70, and then 90. I multiply this 10 with the frequency over here and repeat the process for every other column. So the first one would be 10 times 12. So I write 10 times 12 added to the second one, which is 30 times 28. Let's write that as well. 30 times 28 plus the next one would be 50 times 45. 50 times 45. The next one would be, 70 times 22. 70 times 22. I hope we don't run out of space. The last one would be 90 times 13. 90 times 13. And we divide all of these by the total frequency, which is 120. That's mentioned in the question. Okay, I'll do this part right here. I'll write all the values first. So 10 times 12 is 120 plus 30 times 28. Let's see what that is. 30 times 28 gives us 840. The next is, the next is 50 times 45, which gives us 2250 plus the fourth value is 70 times 22, which gives us 1540 plus the last value, which is 90 times 13, gives us 1170 divided by 120, and the mean would be, let's add these values up. 120 plus 840 plus 2250 plus 1540 plus 1170, yeah, which gives us 5920 divided by 120. Let's do this. Divided by 120 gives us 49 point. Sometimes something goes wrong with my pencil. Okay, so it gives us 49.3 minutes. That's your answer. We write it over here, 49.3. The complete working of this question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.